Have you ever heard the phrase, it's lonely at the top? It's lonely at the top of the career. It's lonely at the top of the household. It's lonely at the top. That's a real thing. Being a busy working mom, feeling like you are successful, yes, but you're kind of lonely. I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I am the founder of Happier Moms. I'm also a busy working mom myself, and I run a private practice. I've been doing that for over a dozen years, and I have felt this loneliness. So I want to talk to you about how this changes the centers of your brain and a couple of things that I've learned along the way that really help with this. So many of us know that dopamine is the reward chemical in our brain. So when we eat a chocolate bar, for some people, it releases dopamine in your brain and it wants you to have more dopamine. When you get a hug from somebody that you love, it releases oxytocin, so that feels good. And it also increases dopamine in your brain, makes you want more of it. When we're lonely, meaning that we don't have or make time to be with people that we really love and care about and want to be with. And loneliness looks different to some people. Some people feel lonely in a giant group of people. Some people feel lonely in their family. And some people feel lonely when they really look like the picture of success. So loneliness turns off those dopamine receptors in your brain. And the reason that's a problem is because it makes it harder for your brain to get those reward centers back of dopamine. So when we're lonely, the hardest thing to do is to reach out. And the best thing for us to do is to reach out. So I know for me, I have had loneliness, and I think in the past few years, many people have felt lonely. And the best medicine for me has been to reach out to a friend that I really like, that I really want to spend time with, and make a date with them. So my friend and I, we have a weekly-ish date where we go for a walk together and we hammer out all the world's problems. I'm not lonely anymore. And I challenge you, if you are feeling lonely, to try to make a conscious effort to connect with somebody that you really want to spend time with. Carve it out like it's an important meeting with a bigwig, or it's a recital concert that you really want to go to for your kid. So carve it out, make some time, be with somebody you like. And if you can't find somebody you like, get into the groups of the things that you want to be with, you'll find somebody. So I want you to know that you can change your brain chemistry. And if you are lonely, I really hope that you do go find somebody or something that makes you feel less lonely. And if you need some time to think about that and see where you can find that space that works for you, click the link below. There's a 5-minute guided meditation to get your headspace right so you can get there. And I want you to remember that the peace and calm that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people. I'm really happy you're here.